Hello, we're up Crown Point. I don't know if you can hear me because it's a bit windy. Come out with dogs, and it's top of Burnley. It's cracking. Bit wet, but got the rake boots on. We're rocking. I think on my phone I've got to, if I flip it, it goes to the way. So nope. Now I'm taking bloody pictures. I've not got a bloody clue what I'm doing here. So I'm coming down this path here. Wheel. There we are, Crown Point, Donut Shore, up Burnley. Bella! Oh, there's got an incident on Bella. Nice and cold here.
Down there. Oh no, this is something.
It's a raging torrent. Come on, Lenny. Well, I can't multitask.
You're a man, you're telling me you can.
Well, breathing and walking's enough for me. Try not to go on the muddy way, so just go around to the right there. Yeah, it's a bit muddy in places. As long as you've got right footwear on or wellies, you're alright. Because it's not a big walk, is it? It's not a long walk.
No, I like this walk, like, just alright here.
Oh, shite. Golf course up there. It's the only problem when it's wet, innit? It's just so boggy. Won't recommend coming with trainers on. Yeah, I suppose it does. We saw a deer down here last time, didn't we? Nutter. Bloody nutter. No, mate, yeah, we do go this way, don't we? Whoa! I nearly got that. Lenny, come here. Yeah. Go on, 250 quid. I said 250 quid if you'd have slipped there. Just stopped a couple there who were walking past and he had a Rab jacket on, down jacket, and all that expensive. I went to have a look at one and thought, try it up in shop, it's not good, is it? So I asked him, I said, what's it like? Guy had been up Kilimanjaro in it. Enough said. Oh, fair play to that, wow. And it's warm, rocking. Well, he said it was minus 22, so it's the best review I've ever had.
You need to put your fingers on.
Is that video, isn't it? Yeah. So that's the road from Burnley. But, oh well, that's a path, and the path goes up here, further up to the top. You can just see a ringing tree over here, but it's only a small loop. It's beautiful. Well worth a visit. Don't forget your wellies. People come down there on mountain bikes. There's a little offshoots there, like a path going down to trees. That's a road up. I think that's Crown Point Road. Not too sure. Yeah, it's always good. It's probably about a mile, 2 mile all the way around. It's not that far. But mega nice. And that's over in distance there. She loves it. Yes. See, on a good clear day, Pendle Hill in distance. Might do that next week. But yeah, it's a good day. Just bring in gloves. In your warm clothes. Footpaths a bit dodgy. There we go. Down here. Right. Singing minging tree. Beautiful Burnley, my own town, and the home of the mighty Clarets. This is path up to Singing Minging Tree. So you come down here from car park there. That's where we've just walked. We've just gone. Just down here. Side of the trees. Got something in there. Side of the trees and down and back. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's raining. It's nice up here. I'll look over to where is that? That's Cliviger. That's Cliviger over there, I'm sure. So whichever. Yeah, it's beautiful. Pendle up there. Nice walk out. Hey, well, we're back home. Nice and dry now. Just add a nice brew coffee. So you know, obviously we're not professionals at this, but we're just going to try and put as many videos on as we can and just show you where to go, try and give you a bit of information and stuff like that. But it's bouncing down now, so we've proper timed that right. So I'll if you like and subscribe and give you the notifications and whatever else they say, that'd be fantastic. Take it easy. See you in a bit.